Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. My name is AbuEG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see the video. Happy new month. I greet you. I greet each. Yeah, I greet each of one of you. Each of one of you. That happy new month. May this month favor us. May the blessing, happiness, glory, joy of this month shall be with us. Shall be with us. May we all succeed in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. This month is our month is going to favor us. The blessing is going to be us. The mercy is going to be us. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month, and we are going to succeed in life. Bijay Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Before we started the analysis, you already know what we do since we updated ourselves for monthly. I think yesterday some trade went in our favor, while some did not went in our favor. So let's quickly go into the mark into the chart. But then before we go to the chart, let's check our fundamental analysis. Maybe our fundamental. Maybe there is high party news. This is one and this is what this is a high pattern. You can see 150 USD, and there is ADP, non-farm employment changes. We have OTC actual data and the forecast is good for the currency, and 130 they say actual data and the forecast is good for the currency also. So let's see another 330. We have ISM manufacturing PMI. Let's see the impact, the usual effect of the market. Sorry. I think you will. I think the network is bad. So please I kindly watch the video to the end, and you will get one or two things from it. And don't forget to share to if you know, from for the subscriber that are using I'm using my signal. Please kindly don't forget to use proper skill management, proper risk management. You can use if it's 0.1, if your maybe you started from 0.1, if your account size is big, you can use 0.2, you understand? So for those of you that my video just pop up to your screen, kindly don't forget to press the subscribe and notification button also. So this is what we are having, and this is what we are having. I think there is no news. This news is high impacting. They are expecting the actual data that the forecast. Let's quickly move. Sorry for that. Let's quickly move into the chart and see what the chart has for us. This is what we are starting. We are seeing from daily time frame. You can see where we are. This is weekly FEG, and market has what sent it back. And you can see, as for me, this option is fine because as for me, this will serve as liquidity check. But let's be checking it. Let's see what is happening. And this is what we are having. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure, and this is the what this is the this is what these are swing high and these are swing low. Market is in between the both. And let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is supply that push the market down, and this is the new supply here. Definitely this will be the new supply because it break the structure. You can see it give us break of structure, and this will be the new supply because it give us the break of structure. And definitely these are internal, these are major. This is I think this is minor supply because it have internal structure. You can see, and market is in what is in there. So this is what we are having. What the market is telling us, we are in uptrend, and this is the trade we are taking. This is the trade we are taking. But now that where this market is, we are having break of structure. This is the recent break of structure we are having on what on 4 hour time frame. We are having what we are having FEG here. This is where we are having the FEG. If the uptrend is still valid, we have every there, but we must be patient because the market is in what is in key level supply. But the reason why I'm still buying is because that supply is short. It's just minor supply because we still have a lot of FEG up. We still have a lot of FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's define the entry on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is liquidity set because this gain candle, as I said, has exceeded it. So let's use this 4 hours time frame FEG for the trade. Let's use this 4 hours FEG. So this is where we are, and our stop loss will be large. Our stop loss will be here. Seriously, market is in this minor supply, so we guys be patient because there's still there's still FEG here. There's still FEG here. So let's see what the market is trying to do. So on 1 hour time frame, if you want to read the structure, we are seeing change of character, we are seeing break of structure here. On 1 hour time frame, we are seeing break of structure, but this market, I will count it as what liquidity for me. Seriously, but because it's in the zone, this zone can push it back to this 4 hours FEG because this 4 hours FEG is stronger than it's higher time frame, is stronger than that 1 hour time frame. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is trying to tell us. You can see what 15-minute time frame is trying to tell us. Definitely, let's be expecting the market year by year. So I'm going to be patient on this 1 hour, on this 4 hours, what 4 hours, 4 hours FEG is very strong, and we are taking our take profit here because there is another key level here, minor supply here. You can see this is another key level here. So this is where we are taking our take profit, and our entry will be here. So we don't know what market is trying to do. So let's be patient. This is where I'm taking the buy from. Seriously, that is the valid place for 4 hours time frame. We are taking the buy from there. So let's see what is happening on XAGUSD, which is Libra USD. From daily time frame, this is the swing low and this is the swing high. And this is what we are having. This FEG is from weekly time frame FEG market integrated. And what we are having here is not just structure. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. On 4 hours time frame, this does not break this structure. It just give us weak. As for me, this is liquidity sweat on 4 hours time frame. This is liquidity sweat on 4 hours 5 from. This is a liquidity sweat. So let's just follow this trend. Let's see what this trend has for us. You can see this is another supply here. This is another 4 hour supply over there. You can see this is resistance here because this is the last break of structure. And this new supply does not break the structure. Definitely, this has come to resistance. So market has break this resistance for me. So definitely market is going up. So but on 4 hours, let's see where the opportunity is to take this trade on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours, and what we are having this this is break of structure here, and this is another break of structure here. This is another break of structure, internal break of structure, and what we are having here is what we are having minor demand to uptrend here. You can see this is because it gives us FEG and it gives us break of structure. As for me, it gives us break of structure, give us break of structure, we have plotted our swing high and our swing low. This is swing high. This is where we are expecting the market. Since the market is in uptrend, but what we are doing now, market is in between. So on 4 hours, we just follow the recent trend. This is the supply that puts the market down. So definitely we are following the recent trend, and this is the recent trend now. This is the recent trend. This is the last break. This is the recent break of structure, and this is the minor supply that give us TJP. And market mitigated is trying to push it down, but it couldn't push it down. So this has turned to what? Has turned to support resistance for me. So market, which means market is going to break it. So then definitely market has break this support, touch this supply. This is the new supply market touches, and that is what there's see opportunity over there. You can see there's still opportunity over there. What is next? This is what market is trying to give me. After market mitigated that blah blah, we are seeing demand here. If this uptrend is going to continue, it will continue from here. It's going to continue from here. So let's move to 1 hour to see the recent trend on one to redefine our entry and to follow the trend. This is what the 1 hour is trying to tell us. To redefine it, we are still having FEG here. So to redefine this, what we are having on 1 hour time frame. All this is another break of structure, but this has already been mitigated as for me. So we are seeing opportunity here. So as for me, this is where I'm seeing the opportunity. I'm buying from here. Based on the 4 hours time frame, this way I'm buying. If the buyer try to come back, this way I'm buying on 4 hours. If the buyer are trying to come back, I'm buying the market from here. This way I'm buying the market, and this is where I'm buying the market, and we are expecting the uptrend. So this is what I'm seeing on Sliver also. So let's move to US30. Let's see what US30 has for us. I think US30 is in uptrend now. So we guys be patient. This is our demand. So this is our supply now. You can see where the market is. These are last break of structure, and this is our supply now. This is our supply. This is our supply now. So let's see what this supply is trying to do. If this supply cannot hold it, definitely the market has turned to uptrend. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. Market is in this supply again. So what market is giving us? Market is giving us uptrend. You guys be patient. I said the market should come down from here, but market did not come down. Definitely we are in. Let's see 1 hour time frame. We see opportunity to continue the uptrend. This is 1 hour time frame. So we guys be patient on this supply zone. If we see break and retest, definitely the market has changed the direction to uptrend. So, but as for now, this is the buy I'm expecting yesterday, but market did not did not come back there to continue the buy, and this is what is going to happen now. This is what is going to happen, and this is the last break construction, and this is what is going to happen now. You see that I'm shaking my head. The market has not given us structure, so we cannot join the market now. Let's just leave the market. It should break this minus supply. After breaking the minus supply, definitely we are in uptrend. But as for now, we still stay away from the market. The market does not give us clear direction, so we gotta stay away from the market for now. This is what I'm seeing. Unless if this market want to come down, if the market want to come down, there's FEG here. There's FEG here. But as for me, this is liquidity where market need to come, that need market to come back here. That is liquidity. So if the market wants to come back here, market may come back here because of the FEG. But let's expect the change of character. If you see change of character, definitely we are buying from here again. Because this is liquidity, we are buying the market from here again. You can say this is what they will give us break of structure. This is the body. So this is valid break of structure, and this all this return to liquidity, the fit market will come back in. But as for now, if we see this is FEG market give us, if the market possibly coming back, so we are buying from here. We are buying from that FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening around. This is 1 hour time frame. And this is the FEG of 4 hour time frame. Let's see if the market is coming back. You can see this is liquidity. Liquidity market is coming back. This is a liquidity market is coming back to mitigate this piece. But as for now, let's respect this FEG. If the market want to come back to this FEG, definitely we are buying here and our stop loss will be here. So let's see if we can see the downtrend, and our take profit will be here. So this is what I'm seeing on US 30. This is what I'm seeing on US 30. On 1 hour, this is what I'm seeing. Let's go to 15 minutes. But I follow 1 hour than 15 minutes, because that 15 minutes is it does not give me a clear structure. So I focus on 1 hour very much, since 1 hour is big time frame. So I waited for 1 hour to come and mitigate this place and go in my people. So it's better for me to follow the trend than to be chasing the market on smaller time frame. So let's move to daily time on GU. This is GU. This is what is happening on GU now. This is our recent supply now, because the recent supply gave us break of structure, and this support has gone. You can see what support is trying to do. So this is what the market is trying to do. This is the FEG. If the market is continuing the downtrend, this is the FEG that market will be looking, because all these trades as well. Well, it does not need market does not need if market has mitigated those, but this is the FEG, this is the valid place. But let's move to 4. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is our major demand. This is our major demand. You can see market is in between. So let's see. This is the supply that give us, this minor supply that give us internal break of structure again. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. You can see this is 4 hours after market mitigate that FEG, daily time frame FEG. So let's see what the market is trying to do, because we plotted 2 FEG on that daily time frame. This is the FEG, this is the first FEG, this is the second FEG. But when we use our Fibonacci retracement, you can see this is 50%. This place is valid for market to continue the downtrend. But we gas be focused, because this market we got to be focused on daily time frame. Market has mitigated this. So this is our trade yesterday, but it reached our stop loss and will continue in our in uptrend. You can see we continue in our bias. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what you can see, the last daily break of structure, internal break of, and this is the supply. So if the market came back, if the market or this FEG does not respect it, the market come back here, definitely you guys be patient if the market is going to push it or up or down. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what happened 1 hour time frame. Market came back to this and declare all this liquidity here. And this is what the market gave us. You can see. Well, this market has give us the option. So we got the pay. This is the FEG. Let's see what this FEG is trying to do. Maybe it's going down, or it's continue the uptrend.
So this is what I am seeing on 1 hour time frame. But this 1 hour time frame has not given us any clear thing. What market is trying to do, market is giving us option. But since it's FEG, this FEG is from what daily time frame, we got be patient. Unless we let's see if it's change of character, definitely we are taking the sell. We got be patient here. Let's me see this retracement, maybe 50%. This is 50% retracement. Let's see if you can see change of character from here. If you see change of character for here, definitely the market is coming down. But if we did not see change of character, definitely the market is not coming down on 15-minute time frame. If you see, let's wait for change of character. If the market give a change of character, the market is coming down. But if we did not see change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely the market is coming here and we are buying from here again. Let me just on 1 hour time on what on 15-minute time frame. This is what market is giving us. Market is giving us that we are still in buy on 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Other block. This is the last break of structure. It's our break of structure, and we are still seeing the buy on 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is telling us buy, but we guys be patient to. I not plotted this buy because I see the opportunity. You see that market is in key level, is in FEG, higher time frame FEG. So we guys be patient. We guys be patient too. So we guys be patient. We are in key level. We are not in your ordinary. We are not in just ordinary trend. The market is in key level zone. So we guys be patient. This is what we have seen. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is trying to tell us. This is EU. The market is giving us uptrend. So this is what is happening on EU. This is what we did later. This is what's happening on EU. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. After market swept this liquidity, market gave us that break of structure. But this place has come to what? Has come to resistance. But because this supply does not break the structure again, so the market here has come to what? Has come to resistance. Maybe the resistance wants to push the market down. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. This 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. You can see the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. And what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing liquidity here. You can see that is liquidity for me. That's double bottom for liquidity. That's liquidity for me. On daily time frame, this is the major demand. Market touch it. But what market did was that this this demand does not break the structure. Definitely that's not to support. That's not to this is the first that break the structure. So market came back, she touches it again, but does not break this internal structure. That's not to support. So when we move to 4 hours time frame, market is giving us uptrend, but this supply will push it down again. As I'm looking at this supply, will push it down again. This resistance will push it down again because market will come to this key level again, this support zone again before continuing the uptrend because there's liquidity here. Market need to sweat before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is. This is 1 hour time frame. This is one another. This is the other block I say we are selling yesterday, but market does not unexpected it. Market just give us what break and retest and continue the uptrend. You can see what market did us yesterday. Well, I'm not in the I'm not I was trying this is steady something. I'm not in the trade for this one. I'm not in trade for this one. So this is what the market give us. So market is in this key level. Let's see if this resistance will push it down again. Let's see if this resistance will push it down again, or it won't. If the market broken that, if the market break this resistance with full body candle, it will retest and continue the uptrend. This is what we are seeing, but this is the opportunity. The opportunity is not showing itself. There's no opportunity showing here. Seriously, there is no opportunity. The opportunity showing is that markets should come down. This is the break of structure market gave us. This is the last break of structure. If you want to read the internal structure, this is the if you want to read the external structure, this is the last break of structure here. That's turned to change of character. And this has turned to breaker block. This has turned to breaker block. And this is a resistance. Let's see this resistance. And if you and this is break of structure. And breaker block used to use it at once. Since market has retested it, turn to breaker block, it's not useful again. It's not useful again. So markets is coming down to solve this liquidity. The liquidity we are seeing down here, market is coming down to set all this liquidity because there's opportunity here. So this is what I'm saying. This way, if the market came, I'm expecting the market to come back again and continue the buy from here. This is what I'm saying. Let's see if we let's see if market want to let's see what market is trying to do if you want to sell again. If the market want to sell again, where is supposed to reach? Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15 you can see 15-minute time frame. When we can take this trade of 15-minute time frame is that let's read this 15-minute time frame. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure again. Let's see this 50 let's see this 15-minute time frame. This reduces 50%, but 50% is not sure. You can see this will serve as a liquidity. It does not mean to get that 50% very well. So we can just see break and retest. We can see market touches it. So on 15-minute time frame, let's just see if you can see change of character for here. If you see change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely we are selling. But if you not see any change of character, definitely we are buying. We are still buying. We are still buying. If we see change of character for here, let's see change of character for here. We are selling. But with no switching of character, definitely we are still buying. But as for now, let's just be patient. Let market paint us the opportunity so we can trade the opportunity. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is trying to tell us. This is UJ. This is the swing. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high. And this is what the market is trying to tell us now. This is the demand zone now. That give us this break of structure. This is what the keyword break of structure. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame is serve as liquidity, and this is internal break of structure, and this is minor demand. You can say it is other block set. You can say this other block because we find other block inside demand. So this is the major demand, this is the minor other block. So market does not expect it. See what market do? Market do not expect it. So I'm still expecting the market to come and show this all this liquidity. You can see this is liquidity trend line mitigated this demand. It's only this demand that can decide us that maybe we are still buying or we are still selling. But you can see what market is doing. This is key level here. So market is already key level. This is this is this is weekly key level here. You can see market is already key level. So let's see what the market is trying to do. If the market can show this liquidity, mitigate this demand and continue the uptrend. But as for now, let's be anticipating for sell. This is sell market. And what we are seeing now, what we are seeing now, we are seeing break of structure here. You are seeing internal break of structure here. And let's move to 1 hour. We can see opportunity, recent opportunity on 1 hour time. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to give us. That is break of structure. And what I'm seeing FEG here. This is FEG. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's on 1 hour time frame. See what is happening on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame market is not giving us opportunity, but on 4 hours time frame we are seeing FEG. So the market is coming down. So to take this trade, you must be expecting the market to continue the buy from here. You must be expecting the market to continue the buy from here. So this is what is happening. You must be expecting the market to continue the buy from here. Now let's move to 15-minute time frame. If you can see the 15-minute opportunity to downtrend. This is a downtrend market with 15-minute time frame. Let use Fibonacci adjustment for this. This is what this break of structure. Market has mitigated it. This is the downtrend. This is downtrend, and downtrend is if we can see break and retest from here to continue the downtrend. If I want to take this downtrend, I'm expecting the downtrend from here. I'm expecting the downtrend to take the trend. This is what the market does not give us what the opportunity of the trend. So definitely let's just let it's better for us to wait for the market at the demand zone, at the major demand zone, than to be taking this trend since the FEG has already been mitigated on smaller time frame. Definitely we guys be patient for a year. Let's be expecting the market to buy from here. So let's move to GJ. I think GJ give us downtrend yesterday also. You can see what GJ is trying to want. Let's move to for daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You can see this is the higher time. This is the swing high and this is the swing low. So you can see the market is in between the both safe. It's in between the both. This is the last on daily time frame. This is the man that gave us break of structure. So this is the man that gave us break of structure on daily time frame. You can see this is what this is resistance. This is resistance and this is support. So let's move to 4 hours time. 4 hours time. Let's see. Let's read the trend of 4 hours time frame. We don't know what the market has continued the uptrend. So, but let's read the market. As for me, this is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. Internal break of structure. And what we are having demand here. We are having minus supply here. So let's see what the market's trying to do. But this market, let's see if let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to do. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to do. But on four hours, you guys be patient. If you see change of character, we see break of structure, you see change of character. This is that break of structure, this is that break of structure, break of structure. If you see change of character, definitely you are what we are selling. But if you don't see your character, we are still buying. Because this is the way the market is on 4 hours time frame, and this is the supply we guys expected. But before we can take this trade, we guys see change of character on smaller time frame, 15-minute time frame. But if we do not see change of character, we are not taking the selling. You guys wait, and if we see break, if market is broken it with full body candle, it will retest and continue the uptrend because there's FEG up there. There's FEG, there's FEG up here. On 4 hours time, you can see the 4 hour time frame, there's FEG up here. Maybe market is coming to this resistance mark. So we guys be patient. We guys be patient because this is the daily minor supply. Minor demand or what on daily time frame. And this is supply. Market may come to show this liquidity. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. But if you see maybe market full or close this, maybe this liquidity has been already shown. So on 1 hour time frame, this is what we are looking to. Let's see if we can see what I said the other time. If market break this structure, definitely we will see break and retest and continue the uptrend. But as for now, on 15-minute time frame, we guys be waiting for what change of character. If you not see change of character, we are not selling. Unless the reason why we can buy is we can see break and retest. Market break it and retest. So we are what? We are buying. So let's see what crypto is trying to tell us. Today is new month. See crypto, this is what crypto is trying to tell us. This is daily time frame. And what the market is trying to do. This is supply there and this is support here. You can see the support. So market is in between. But what market gives us market gives us minor supply. This is the minor supply and this is the FEG. So we are expecting the market to mitigate the in before continuing what the downtrend. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the liquidity. Let's see if the market can just give us the downtrend from here. We are expecting the market to continue that trend from this supply. But what we are expecting now is uptrend as for me. This is internal structure. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. If you can see the other block of it. This is 1 hour time frame. This is our structure set. It's from this place. This is the height I give that entire structure. You can see the entire structure. This is the very structure. This is the big communion. Because market show this liquidity over here. You can see and continue the option. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is what's happening on 1 hour time frame. So there's FEG here. There's smaller FEG here. Because on what on 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the FEG here. This is the swing. This is the lower and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Because this is showing liquidity. Sorry for that. This is liquidity sweat. On 1 hour time frame, let's see what the 1 hour time frame is. On 1 hour time frame, let's use our Fibonacci adjustment on 1 hour time frame. Definitely this FEG is valid for us. If you want to take this trade, we can take this trade in two places. You can take this here. This is 50% or here. So wherever we want to take this trade, we can take it here. But this is an opportunity. We can take this trade here. Or here, because this is the last break of structure here. You can see this is the last break of structure. But as for me, this is the swing high, this is the swing low, because all these ones are just the key level. There's FEJ. If market does not mitigate it, it will be expected here. But if market wants to do it very well, it can come here. But as for me, I'm still seeing market being expected here because there's FEJ over here. Let's see for ourselves. This is for our this is the last break of structure and market. So let's just expect the market from there. We're expecting the market from here. Definitely, this is what I'm seeing. I'm buying from here. Let's move to interior. Let's see what interior is trying to tell us. Ethereum also we are still buying. This is where we are buying on Ethereum. You can see the market. This is what these are turned to some resistance self. So I thought to supply that give me or mitigate but does not give us another supply. But we are seeing manual supply. You can see the manual supply. This is the manual supply here. But let's see what market is trying on 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. Market has surplus liquidity as particularly. So this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour to see this short of anywhere. On 1 hour time frame, this is the what? This is the break of structure. And we are having what? We are having other block here. We are having other block there. And we are having opportunity over here. Let's just take our trade. But we are buying from here. This is where we are buying. So far, this is the opportunity I'm still seeing to this supply again. Let's see what this supply is trying to do again. We are still selling to this one. We are still buying to that supply again. Let's see what that supply has for us. But let's see if Fibonacci retracement. So market may test 50% or seven other block. So this is what we are saying because there's FEG here, there's FEG here. So let's see which market is going to respect it. I really appreciate. Thank you. This is what I'm seeing in the market, and this is what I'm seeing in the chart. I pray may this month be our month, and may we all profitable in this month and successful in this trading journey and other skills we are doing. You already know my name is Aboyiji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video whenever I'm dropping. You'll be the first person to learn from the video itself. Seriously. So don't forget. This is what I'm saying. This week is our week, and this month we are in is our month. Peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Have a successful week ahead. Thanks.